Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you why did I purchase this Godrej AC air conditioner, which is 2026 model 1.5 ton and 4-star AC, and I'll also tell you my reasons why did I go for 4-star instead of 5-star. See here, I can go for this 5-star model also. When I do this, it is not deliverable in my location. That's the reason I went for 4-star. You can just even search for the 5-star, but here, even though at the 4-star also, I got very nice features like this can cool up to 52 degrees, self clean and warranty free. And see here, this is 728 units per year. This is mentioned in the specifications. Anyway, once I receive this on June 2nd, once the installation is complete, I will do a complete unboxing and the working video of this Godrej AC. And this is one of the best sellers on the Flipkart. That's the reason I have purchased this. So in my area, my temperatures, the room temperature is really high. Even it is reaching up to 40 to 43, and with the humidity it is feeling like almost 50. That's the reason I purchased this split inverter AC. To be precise, the specific model here is this one, Godrej 2026 model 1.1 4-star split inverter 5-in-1 convertible AC, two-way air swing. So remember, this is two-way, not the four-way. Okay, only two-way. So the people who want four-way should go for the four-way, means only vertical movement, no horizontal movement, means you need to compromise on that. And HC 1.5T, EC HIC and 18 J4 TG W white, and this got 4 rating. And I got HDFC offer. I purchased for nearly 32,000. And I need to see how it is actually doing, how it is performing. And my main requirement is just for the summer. All other seasons I won't be using this AC, so this AC is fine for me. And people like me would be one of the best choice. I also did the unboxing and working video of Oneida AC. See here, maybe that is 1 month back, this one, and this is excellent. At this price the user is very much satisfied. What I'll do is I'll drop the YouTube video of unboxing and working of that Oneida in the description. If you want to check, you can check that AC also, which is very good at that price, under 30,000, which is 1.5 ton and 5-star. And as of now I am feeling this is also one of the good AC, except this two-way air swing. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.